Clockwork, we see a structured, well-coordinated approach to energy planning from the national level down. And we see a phased decarbonisation approach. So that begins in the power sector with a strong role for new nuclear plants, for carbon capture and storage, and also for renewables, predominantly offshore wind. Then the pace begins to pick up in the building sector, where we see a significant rollout of district heating schemes. And for those households which are beyond the reach of those networks, we see them supported by heat pumps. And finally, we see a transition in the transport sector, first of all towards more efficient internal combustion engine vehicles, and then eventually towards plug-in hybrid vehicles. And one of the key features of Clockwork is the widespread use of biomass in combination with carbon capture and storage. And what that means is we're able to capture carbon from the atmosphere into the biomass plant matter as it grows. Then we capture the carbon again before it's released to the atmosphere, and we can bury it underground safely. So over the course of that whole cycle, we've actively removed emissions from the environment. The breathing space that we create for ourselves through those negative emissions means that we're able to buy ourselves more time to find low carbon solutions for certain parts of the industry and transport sectors, which otherwise can be quite expensive to decarbonise fully. Because of the role that negative emissions play, the cost of decarbonisation in Clockwork is more modest than it is in patchwork. The cost of abatement in Clockwork is around 1.4% of GDP by 2050.